Magandang araw! Muli niyo ko samahan sa panibagong adventure nating libutin ang Las Pinas-Paranaque Critical Habitat and Ecotourism Area. Dito lang yan sa may coastal.
A few moments later.
Situated south of Manila Bay is an unusually destination considered as a nature sanctuary, protected not only because of its flora and fauna, but also because it's considered as the country's natural defense against disaster. Apart from being home to wildlife species, the Las Pinas-Paranaque Critical Habitat and Ecotourism Area or LPPCHEA is a wetland or a land area flooded with water. And also upon entering LPPCHEA, you need to sign up a form and email to DENR. Its integral role for the wildlife and its people, LPPCHEA was declared as a critical habitat on April 22, 2007 by Presidential Proclamation No. 1412 and was included in the list of Ramsar's wetlands of international importance. Wetlands, a natural defense against disasters. Wetlands act like a giant sponge. They absorb excess rainfall during storms and release it during the dry season. With mangroves, ponds, lagoons, mudflats, and mixed beach forests all over LPPCHEA, it also acts as a protective buffer against storm surge with its coral reefs reducing the speed and height of waves. Yun o, kita mo dito yung Manila Bay. Wetlands like LPPCHEA are also the first line of defense for soil erosions with mangrove forests as the wall. Preservations of biodiversity. Apart from its climate and weather-related functions, LPPCHEA also plays an important role in the preservation of biodiversity. Protecting, conserving, and raising awareness, the world is changing and climate patterns and their effects are slowly being felt all over the world, especially to our archipelagic country like the Philippines. This is why LPPCHEA is taking part in further teaching the public about ways and the importance of preserving the wetlands with its coastal cleanups and tree planting activities. How to get here? From Makati, take the Skyway and continue to NAIA Expressway and take the exit to Coastal Road. Straight ahead going to Cavitex Toll Plaza, just before Toll Gate. Turn right to the access road. You will see a signage going to LPPCHEA and a guard on duty will ask for permit before entering. Coastal.